Installing a power distribution board. Hold the thumb screws and lower the power distribution board into the chassis at an angle. Then slide the power distribution board towards the front of the chassis until it is secured and engages with the lower processor board. Fasten the two thumb screws. Use a screwdriver if needed. Connect the power cables to the power distribution board. Note: the cable connections will vary on different configurations. Reinstall both power interposer boards. Reinstall the fan cage. Push the fan cage release latches down until they stop. Reinstall all the fan modules. Reinstall the following components. Refer to the following video in the playlist to complete the installation process. Install the PSUs. Note the orientation of the power supply and then slide the power supply into the PSU slot until it snaps into position. Plug in the AC power cord on the power supply. Repeat the steps to install the rest of the PSUs.